Today I'm going to show you how to set up your microphone on your studio setup for your podcasting or YouTube. So these are the necessary equipments that you need. What we have here is these are budget setup. So I bought these items for cheap. So this is the pop filter. It's made from China, BLS-08. I bought this for around $8 Singapore dollars, and then this microphone arm handle, which is necessary to handle your microphones. I bought this for 10 Singapore dollars. And this microphone, toner microphone condenser, this needs a phantom power. So basically we need a mixer to with phantom power to have this. This is the model that we have. So I bought this for $29 at some thrifty shop, and this blue cable is the XLR to XLR cable, which we're going to use for connecting our microphone to mixer. And then this is our mixer. I have a Eurorack UB802, but this one is just an optional. You can just directly put your microphone on your laptop or any computer. So we're going to set up this microphone handle. So we have some additional items that we actually don't have to use because the microphone has its own handle. So this is can be retract. So this is for normal microphones, which we basically we don't need this. So we put it to the side, and then we going to clamp this C clamp at the side of the table. So you have to loosen to fit on the side of the table. Setting up will take a while because some will be difficult to put the clamp on your table. It depends on how on the space on the side of your table, but make sure you don't clamp it too tight. You may damage your table if it's a wood table, or you may even also damage the whole screw. So this is we're just going to retract the arm and then loosen the center knob there, and then this portion you're going to just fit on the hole at the clamp. You have to loosen the screw. Make sure it fits and make sure it's moving. You just have to tighten a bit just for you to have the maintain the not wiggling condition. as long as it moves, it will be better. So you have to loosen and then tighten again when you have this silver thing that you have to connect your microphone. So we put this at the side because we no longer need this connector. So this is actually from cash converter from a second-hand shop, which this actually is brand new. Then it comes with the instruction and specifications of the microphone. So this is the handle for your, it clamps your microphone. This will prevent you from having some uh, bumps sounds from your when you hit the accidentally hit your microphone. So you have to tighten it. You have to tighten also the silver pole so that it won't be moving when you're assembling it. Then what we have here is the tuner microphone and a pop filter, which is included in the package, but we are not going to use this because we already have our pop filter, which looks nicer than this. So we use the one the first one that we have. So I'm going to connect the microphone downwards because it looks like it looks nicer when it's an downward position, but actually upward or downward is the same. So this connector we're not going to use because this is a 3.5 millimeter jack, which should be connected directly to microphone, but we are using a mixer, so we need a XLR. So it would be XLR to XLR cable. So we're going to use this on my 1 meter XLR to XLR cable. So we put this at the side. We may have to use this uh, on different purpose. So we're going to attach the mixer on the microphone. You have to harness the wire from your mixer going to your microphone. Just roll it over the arms so that there will be no tangling of your wires. Then this is it. It's all set. It's all set. What we need to put is this pop filter, but I think we need to remove the cable again from the microphone so that we can properly uh, attach the pop filter butt arms before we can put back the microphone cable. You have to unscrew the clump C clump on the pop filter so it will fit on the metal part of the microphone arm holder. Just tighten it up so it won't be moving during your recording. So this is it. So I think 1 meter cable is just enough. But if you're going to set this the way I set this up, I think you have to buy a 2 meter microphone cable so that there will be no limitation on your cabling. So this is it. All you need to do is laptop, connect this, connect your mixer going to the laptop through the output connector. This is the output terminal of your mixer going to the laptop so that the sound coming from your microphone will be going to your laptop.